Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and in this video I am solving math exam, that means mathematics admission test. Which what type of examination that is? This is the examination for those students who are applying for mathematics and computer science or both subjects in Oxford University, Imperial College or University of Warwick. So this is the type of examination, this is the admission test for those universities. And today I'm solving this paper previous year solution. Okay, recent past paper solution. So if you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session or previous year question solution, mock test, training material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. Already all you know that Dr. Sourav class is the best coaching institution for any type of mathematics related examination. So in math examination, we need to first know the approach how to solve this question in tricky way. So if anyone to want to join with our side or want to preparing with us, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Source's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Source. So let's move on. Question number one. See what will say this question. The question says there will be two circles on inside square ABCD of length 1. One of the circles is tangent to sides AB and to BC. Then other circle is tangent to side to CD to what? CD to DA. AB to BC and otherwise CD to DA. So the circles are tangent to each other. The area of the larger circle is 10 times the area of the smaller circle. So diagram is not to scale. So find the sum, the radius of this radius of these circles. That is which is the options. So how to solve that? So first of all, we'll just write radius for that. Okay, just write it in that way. Let's take these radius. First one circle radius is r1. This r1 is same as this r1, and this is r2, and these are two same as this. Okay, yes or no? So the drawing lines from the centers of two points of tangency and drawing trigonometry that reveals that, which is that reveals the trigonometry that reveals r1. Just write drawing here, r1 plus r2, r1 plus, that means that portion indicate which portion, that up to that. Okay, so r1 plus r2 divides root 2 plus r2, that is equals to 1. So we can deduce the value of r1 plus r2, that is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 by root 2. That means that is equals to root 2 plus 1. So if we can multiply it with conjugate surds for denominator, so what will be the result? Root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1, and here root 2 into root 2 minus 1. So what will be the result for that? That is 2 minus root 2. So that will, so without actually solving for r2 separately, the answer is what? The answer is option B. The B is the correct option for that question. Okay, so to know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay connected with us. And to get a notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. So thank you. We'll meet you in next session soon. Goodbye.